Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I am Felisa, your host for this video. I hope that you have been off to a blessed new year. And let's jump right into the details of this space. So if you've been following me for quite some time, you would know that I have this room set up very similar to the way I had it last year in the winter. And winter for me is like right after the holidays. So let's start with the coffee table. So my coffee table is from Amazon. My vases on the coffee table are from Z Gallery. The picks that's in the vase is actually from Z Gallery. Then I actually stuck a few ornaments that's also from Z Gallery in this vase. These are ornaments. And then I also have some string lights stuck inside the vase just to give it a little light feature, because you know I like to do the day and night looks, and I like candles and things that light up. So since I'm focusing on the area rug is from Amazon. My runner is a matching set to the area rug, also from Amazon. I don't think it's in stock. The rug and the runner actually comes in multiple colors. If the gray on cream, which is what I have, is not available, I think the cream on cream is available, which is also a beautiful color to pair in with grays and golds and silver and golds if you're going that route with your decor scheme. And my wingback chair is actually a TLV piece. Let me see my lighting here. Yeah, it's a TLV piece. And this pillow is a Z Gallery pillow. And I think you can get your hands on this chair from Wayfair and Amazon. If it's in stock, I will link it down below. My drapes are from Amazon. Love, love, love these drapes. They come in multiple colors. The wall art that's in the middle of my windows is from Pier 1. And I don't think you can get your hands on that. Then I have a Z Gallery vase that I had for several years, so I don't think you can get your hands on that either. My lamps, you still can get your hands on those from Z Gallery. And the little vases on the side of the lamps, those are from Z Gallery, but I don't think you can get your hands on those. My wall art is from Home Goods. The sconces on the wall are from Z Gallery, and the actual candles, this is an Amazon all my candles are actually from Amazon. And okay, so let's pan over here to these little nesting tables. My nesting tables, I have a set on this side and a set on the other side. These are actually from Z Gallery as well, and I love them because they have the acrylic legs, of course. My couch is from Rooms to Go. The pillows on the end, Z Gallery. The love pillows from Home Goods. And my throw is actually a set that actually matches my pillow that I have over on my wingback chair over on that side. So that sums up that side of the room. Now panning on around to my fireplace. My fireplace is from Wayfair, and you can get your hands on it from Amazon. I will link it. My mirror is from Rooms to Go. Now this mirror, it can be hung the way I have it, and it also can be hung the square way. I like to hang it that way because it's different and unique and not the typical thing that we would usually do. But I plan on moving this mirror in my dining room area, kitchen area. I do have another mirror that a set of mirrors that I'm going to be placing over here. Of course, when my new furniture gets in. Yes, your girl has finally ordered her some new furniture. It should be in probably maybe the second or third week of January, but my colors are going to change in here. It's going to be a different color for me, but I am going with different for this year. In this space, everything else is going to stay the same, but this space, I'm going to go a little bit more modern. So I'm excited about what's coming up. And back over here, I have a little tray here. This tray is from Z Gallery, and these balls are from Pier 1. I've had them for quite some time. And the vase set that's here, also from Z Gallery. I've had those for several years as well. So I'm going to pan on around to my entryway here. My entryway, what do I have going on in my entryway? So my entryway table is also actually really from Rooms to Go, but they no longer sell it, but you can get your hands on it from Walmart. If it's in stock, I will link it. The decor that's on the entryway table, the candle holders are from Bath and Body Works. This vase is from Z Gallery, and these vases are from Shein. I just don't have any florals in the vases yet. I'm not ready to put out the florals quite yet. I think I'm going to wait a few more weeks to put flowers out. That decorative object, the silver one, is from Home Goods, and then the teal or cerulean object is from Z Gallery. And then if I come over here, I have this super cute pampas grass, which I picked up during the fall, and it is like a teal cerulean like color. If you want to get your hands on some teal or cerulean like decor, the fall is the time to shop around to look for this particular color. Then I have it in a chain link vase that's from CB2, and I have it on a stand that's from Home Goods. And my chandelier is I think it's a ET2 chandelier. I think at one point you were able to get your hands on it from Amazon. If it's available, I will link it. So I think that's all that I have going on in this space right now. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. And again, I hope that you are having a blessed new year. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.